Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Do y'all know why I like when it's pouring all night? It's because there is a good chance that the rain will have stopped by morning. I mean, that's what's happening lately. And because of that, I took a quick breakfast and guess where I went to? Y'all have seen the title, so y'all already know where I'm going. I've been there a few times, but in a bit, y'all gonna know why. This hidden beach is close to Terminal 21 and again Pattaya. I mean, watch the aerial view. Still from the Balai Pier. I came from here and I'm going down there. As y'all can see, that place is called Hidden Beach Stunning View for a reason. But first, I went straight up to eat, so I show y'all all their food stand right after. So I had fried rice, crab and shrimp. It cannot be fresher than that. And I took my 360 shot of that beach on that pile of rocks. That's all the food stand that I will introduce y'all to in a bit. That's where my food comes from. And those are the fishermen's boats. In the end of that day, I had a good time and a good meal. And on the other side, the Wongamat beach. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.